Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the end date of a book on the Bookly application by which you want to finish reading it, so you can keep track of it and motivate yourself to continue or proceed reading it. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the My Books section down below. Click on the book that you are interested in, and then scroll down till you find the end date goal section. As you can see, it is not set yet, so tap on the spell save button, and here you can indicate the exact date by which you want to finish it and the hour as well. So after setting it, tap on the save button in the middle of the screen. So here you will be able to find it and see how you proceed with it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.